Welcome back to the fifth part of the Australia series, and today we'll be going to the Great Ocean Road. It was early in the morning when we started our drive. And today I decided to mount my GoPro outside of the car because the drive was supposed to be really epic. Our first stop was at Aireys Inlet Lighthouse. This place had a marvelous view of the ocean, with its lighthouse on the foreground. After spending some time there, we resumed the drive. And guys, this part of the road was very scenic with the view of the dark blue ocean. So enjoy. Then we took a small stop at the town of Lorne where we did some shopping. And again we hit the road. Great Ocean Road is a 243-kilometer coastal drive on the south end of Victoria State, and it starts from the town of Torquay. We crossed another famous town of Apollo Bay, but we did not stop there because we still had a long way to cover. While we were crossing the Great Otway National Park, I thought of flying my drone, but guys, I crashed my drone here in the jungle and we lost the drone itself. We had to spend 2 hours on this place and then finally I found it beneath a tree. But anyway, I will share that story in another video. And then we reached Logan George. It was part of the Port Campbell National Park. And guys, the views were really breathtaking. Then it was time for our last stop, which was certainly not the least. It was 12 Apostle. This was one of our bucket list items, and we really cannot explain the happiness of seeing it with our own eyes. Then I went down from the Gibson steps, which gave me the beach access. Then it was time to get back to our B&B, which was a 274 kilometers drive, and on our way we stopped at the small town to pick up our dinner. Okay, that is it guys for today. In the next and the last part of the video series, we'll share our journey from Melbourne to Sydney.